If you're new here, welcome, and for those of you who are returning, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I purchased some Julia's hair, and I'm just showing you guys my unboxing. Upon opening up the box, they do give you gifts. There was a scarf, which I don't know where that scarf is. Also 4 clips and eyelashes that I probably would never wear. I think I end up giving these away. But let's get into this hair. You guys, upon opening this package of hair, first of all, I ordered 4 bundles and a closure. And this hair is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. So if you're thinking about purchasing this hair, you're not gonna waste your money. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I think this is probably about my third or fourth time ordering from Julia's hair, but this by far is the absolutely best hair that I ever ordered. When I tell you the dye, the balayage, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but the balayage effect on this hair was like on point, on point. It's gorgeous, y'all. It's soft. There was like no shedding. The lengths that I ordered was 24, 22, 20, 18, and I believe the closure was 16. Now the closure was not, I noticed it's not like an ombre effect. Um, it's just kind of like patches. I didn't really like the way they dyed it, but once I constructed the wig, everything kind of like flowed. But it does not take away from the fact that this hair, like I said, holds a great curl. One con that I would say about the closure, I actually thought that it was going to be a 5x5 closure. And then also, you see how the closure doesn't really match the balayage effect. But like I said, once constructing the wig and everything was like put together, it turned out absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys want to see me and how I constructed the unit, then just go ahead and leave your comments down below, and then I'll just let you guys continue watching this video. Thank you for hitting this video, hitting like, and also being a member of the Crown Gang. I will see you guys later in my next video.